Watching that video must have been an inspiration.
It was incredible.
That mouse video got a lot of people's attention, including investors like Atul Dadwal.
How much money did you invest in total?
A few $100,000.
$300,000, a lot for the owner of a Toronto restaurant franchise. But as Lucid MS moved through the stages of clinical trials, the opposite happened. According to Quantum's documents, in June 2020, as favorable test results came in for another drug in its portfolio, its stock price dropped from $7.39 to $2.76. As it received regulatory clearance to proceed with clinical trials of Lucid MS, its stock dropped from $1.84 to $1.56. The crash continued, and soon Dadwal says he lost 98% of his investment.
It just kills you. There's no way. It buries you 98% down in the earth. So it cannot come back and see the light of day ever again.
Did it have other impacts in your life?
Of course. I mean, you lose your health. Your health is not the same anymore.
Did that make sense to you, knowing that they are looking at a very promising technology, but the shares are somehow dropping?
There appears to be something very wrong.
Alex Barr had believed in the product so much he joined the company's board. He said the low share price sent the company into a tailspin.
And as a result of that, it means that it's much harder to raise money. And if they can't raise money, they can't do the trials to prove that the research works for people like me. And that drug will never become accessible to people who need it.
A situation Quantum Biopharma couldn't accept. They believed there was another reason their stocks were collapsing and started their own investigation, an investigation that would spark a nearly $750 million lawsuit.